In this video, I will show you how to bring back the missing settings icon on your iPhone. Sometimes the settings app can disappear from your home screen to begin swipe down from the middle of your home screen. This action opens up the search function. Now type in settings and hit search. This will immediately bring up the settings app on your iPhone. Once you have access to the settings app, scroll down slightly until you see General, tap on it. To proceed in this section, you'll need to scroll all the way down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select this option for further choices. Tap on Reset. You'll be presented with several reset options here. Look for Reset Home Screen Layout and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure about this action. To finalize this process, tap Reset Home Screen again when prompted. This action will restore your home screen layout back to its original state. Once completed, check your home screen, and just like that, the settings icon should now be back on your home screen where it belongs.